Hey loves, today's video is a haul in action. I haven't filmed one of these videos in a while and I am so excited to finally be uploading a new one. If you're new to my channel, a haul in action is where I try out new products in the form of a makeup tutorial and I give you a final review of each product at the end of the video. Enjoy! This is the Kiss New York Professional Top Brow Auto Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown, and it was $3.99. I am using the brush to create my desired brow shape. I'm starting by outlining the bottom of my brow, then I'm going to do the same thing on top, and then I'm going to slightly fill it in and use softer strokes the closer I get to the front of my brow. I am brushing the product through as well as recreating my shape. I am cleaning up the shape with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. And I am blending it out with my Basic Beauty Rose Gold Concealer brush. I am now brushing the front of my brow so it won't look as harsh. My last step is to highlight my brow bone with the Amuse Cosmetics Smokey Eyes Single Shadow in the shade Creme using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. This is the Nicka K Lime Mojito 12 color eyeshadow palette and it was $3.99. This palette has 7 shimmers and 5 mattes. First, I am taking this reddish brown shade and applying it in and slightly above the crease of my eye using my e.l.f. eye crease brush. Now I'm taking the peachy pink shade on my Start mini blending brush and applying it right above that first shadow. Now I'm blending everything together with the LA Colors Pro Shadow Blender. Since the Mojito palette doesn't have any shimmery brow highlight shades, I'll be using my Flower Beauty Shimmer and Strobe highlighting palette. I am applying the first highlighter using my AOA Studio E124. I am applying the dark matte green shadow to the outer third of my lid using the AOA Studio E113. I am using my Remy Rose eyeshadow brush to apply a shimmery light green to the remainder of my lid. I am using the Jordana Easyliner for eyes in the shade Seagreen for my winged liner. Before I apply my lashes, I am using the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara. Today I am trying out the Laflare 3D Faux Mink Lashes in Style 12. I am taking that reddish brown shade from earlier and applying it to my lower lash line using my AOA Studio E115. To blend out the edge of that shadow, I am using my Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush. To complete my eye makeup, I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with this shimmery bronze shadow using my Basic Beauty small eyeshadow brush. The last item in today's haul in action is the Absolute New York Matte Made in Heaven Liquid Lipstick and Liner Duo in the shade Bitten, and it was $3.99. Now that my makeup look is complete, I'm going to give you my final thoughts on the products that I featured in today's haul in action. The first product is the Kiss New York Top Brow Auto Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. This pencil was so easy to use. I had so much fun filling in my eyebrows. I love the fact that it gives you a brush on the end. That's honestly all you need. The cleanup I did in this tutorial is optional. And the color is pretty spot on, so this is definitely one of my favorites in today's haul. Next is the Nicka K Lime Mojito 12 color palette. I love the colors in this palette. Green is one of my favorite colors. It has amazing pigmentation and was easy to blend. The last eye product are the Laflare 3D Faux Mink lashes in the style 12. I love these lashes. They are the perfect length, volume, and the band is the right width for my eye. I didn't have to trim it at all. It's a nice lightweight band as well. I just love these lashes, and for $2.99, they're easy to stock up on. The last product that I have to review is the Absolute New York Matte Made in Heaven Liquid Lipstick and Liner Duo in the shade Bitten. Again, I love this product. I'm happy to say that I like all of the products that I tried out in today's video. This formula for the lipstick is amazing. It is very lightweight. It didn't even feel like I was wearing anything. It dried down evenly and it felt very comfortable on the lips. Thank you so much for watching. What did you think of today's video? Let me know in a comment down below. Check out the description for the products that I used in today's tutorial. And until next time, bye loves!